That was a pasta thing too, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Well, it was an attempt at it, actually. That was pretty rubbish, I think. Present lady! Anyway, moving to on. We're at the airport, as we can see. Yes, we are. Okie dokie. At the airport. Oh, you know those people that spin those chairs. You know, I can't see you. Okay. We're at the airport. The people have just hit me. I just stumbled. Okay. They opened the curtains fell off the lady. Really just sound. What's the curtains called? Back in business. Right. I love going on these little things that the big long treadmills that move. Do you move out the way of the treadmill? That was fun, wasn't it, Timothy? Yes. Yes, it was. My fingers tired. Will you talk to us, please? We're tired and arms are aching. And not that we have any. Ah! It's a rapist! Beep, beep, beep. What's that? Beep, beep. Oh, it's those stunning people that get to wave and say that. Especially in first class as well. Yes, that's all they are. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, good morning. Ah, rapists again. Please, if you're going on holiday, can you come on the airplane now? I mean, we have to go again. I said to. Oh, Thomas. Come in. One of your ringing neighbours. Bye-bye. I'll be swapped. Oh, yeah, that's all right. Bye-bye, Tipsy. Bye-bye. Excuse me, can I have your ticket, please? I am Tipsy. I get to go anywhere I like. Oh, I hit my head. Shoot. Oh, did that hurt? Yes. Oh, you have such nice eyes. Thank you. Are you flirting with her, Timothy? Only a little. I'm a man. I have a penis. Look. Want to be mine? Holy naturally. I'm going to come on away. Come on. Are you want to? Don't never flatten you two. Okay. Can you go sit in this seat, please? This is the way out. Because this is where sister is. That's where we're going. Okay, hold on. Here. I'm first class. I want to my beep, 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 beep shoes. Okay. Alright. Timothy, be back.